Do you suffer from difficulty in swallowing, reflux, or constant throat clearing, or choking while drinking water? The problem may not be in your stomach, but it may be your muscles and nerve coordination. Now, swallowing is controlled by two systems. One is brain, and the other one is brainstem. The brain decides when you want to eat or drink, and the brainstem controls the automatic reflexes, like closing the airways or opening the food pipe. Now, if this coordination between brain and brain within the brain and a brainstem becomes weak, then problem like reflux, cough, choking, food, snoring can occur. So, what is ICORO? Now, ICORO is a neuromuscular training device which is designed to activate the muscles which are involved in swallowing, breathing, as well as airway control. Right? It's a non-invasive training solution. So no medicine, no surgery. Continuing further, how ICORO works? It works when you put this ICORO in lips and you apply a controlled pulling environment, easy to use at home. Now, so this simple action, it activates muscles which are from tongue, throat, lip sills muscles, swallowing reflex pathways, and brain and muscle communication happens. It activates that. So this stimulation, it sends signals to brain and brainstem, which helps in retraining the pathways, that is weak neuromuscular pathway. So after on regular use, you'll find that muscle becomes stronger and are better coordinated. Now why it is safe? ICORO, it helps in improve swallowing safety, muscle control, throat coordination, airway function, and rehab compliance at home. It may be useful dysphagia, it may be useful acid reflux, it can be used for post-stroke rehab, snoring due to muscle weakness. It may be useful for age-related swallowing difficulties and neural weakness also. Medical caution is very important. ICORO is not a medicine or a replacement for medical treatment. Always consult a doctor or a therapist before use, especially for serious neurological or respiratory condition. Now, ICORO does not suppress symptoms, but it works on muscle retraining and nerve activation. Stronger muscles, better control, safer swallowing. Train your muscles, train your recovery. If you want to buy this, it's available on Amazon. Thank you.